there and welcome to Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at the Pin Stripe Crochet Blanket. Now we're going to need some Bernat Blanket in 2 colors and a crochet hook size M13 or 9mm or size needed to obtain gauge, but you can get more information on the materials when you click the link below and download the free pattern. And while you're about it, why don't you subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. But let's get started on this beautifully textured, simple to stitch blanket. All right, you will have chained 106 with the main color, although I have chained fewer than that, so I can get to the end of the row while we still have time to watch video. We're going to single crochet in the second chain from hook. Now, I like to work in the back or the bump of the chain, even though many of us were taught to work in the front or the V of the chain. I think working in the back gives us a neater edge. You, of course, can do whichever you prefer. So we're working in the second chain from hook, 1, 2. So there's my bump. And there is my single crochet. Now it says double crochet in next chain, single crochet in next chain, repeat from asterisk across. So I'm going to double in the next chain. And single in the next chain. Double in the next chain, and I'm going to do that all the way across until I get to the end of the chain. And you can see the stitch, it goes up and down a little bit, but we're going to even that out as we put more rows on. So I'm going to finish this row and we'll take a look at the second row. So I have ended with a single crochet, just like the instructions said I would. For the second row, you're going to turn the work and chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And it says single crochet in next double crochet. So I ended with the single. That chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so I'm going to single crochet in the double. And then I'm going to double crochet in the single. Repeating that from the asterisk all the way across to the end. Single in the double. Double in the single. So, have you noticed a theme? If you are stitching right along and you get confused about what stitch you meant to do next, if you are looking at a double crochet, you're going to put a single in it, and if you're looking at a single crochet, you're going to put a double in it, and that's really the only trick to this stitch. This row began with a chain 3, which acts as a double, and it also ends with a double. So for the third row, I'm going to start the third row. So right now I'm going to chain 1 and turn because the third row begins and ends with a single crochet. Single crochet in the first double, double crochet in the next single, and do that all the way across. That is really all there is to this stitch pattern. So you're going to repeat the second and third rows as written. And you'll notice in the stripe pattern it tells you you're going to work 10 rows of the main color and then 2 rows of the A color. 10 rows of main, 2 rows of A, and again that's all there is to this stitch. There's really nothing difficult about it. When you have followed the instructions to get the length that you want, or gotten whatever length that you want, all you need to do is end off. I'm really glad you stopped by to see us here on Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. Bye-bye.